Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and I'm making a video to tell you about an amazing deal on a Kenwood Full HD camera system for your new Harley-Davidson. And at Volunteer Audio, we're building it completely plug and play, plug it into your bike. Watch the rest of the video as I show you what all you're going to get and show it to you on a bike. Let me show you what you're going to get when you get your new Kenwood camera system. So on the table, I've got all the parts. We have a Kenwood DVR brain, completely weatherproof, IP67 marine rated. It will work underwater. We have front and rear high definition cameras that are going to stick on and wire into your bike so that they're always running. You don't have to remember to charge batteries or connect them up. You're going to get a switch to see what recording mode you're in and connect to your phone, as well as a GPS sensor to always know where you're at on your ride when you go back and view that footage. Now, I think this is an important thing to have on all of our bikes to protect us from accidents, from things that happen. A lot of times when you're in an accident on a bike, somebody runs you out of the road and they leave the scene. You'll have recorded footage of that and prove that you're not at fault, which is huge when it comes to insurance claims. As well as that, we always take our bikes, we ride to these beautiful areas, and we wish we could go back and look at that footage. Now you're always recording those rides, and you can go back, transfer that to your phone, transfer it to your computer, and save those memories. Core memory days are made on your bike, and a lot of times it's good to go back and watch them again on your DVR. And right now we have an amazing price on these. Originally they were over $500. Volunteer Audio bought all the remaining inventory that Kenwood had on these cameras. We bought them out, and we're now selling them for $199 a system. It's over $300 off, and we now offer and have started making this full plug-and-play power harness for them. So now you can plug them in right under the seat of that new Harley, and you don't have to modify any wiring. You're not voiding any warranties. We made it so simple. We've got full step-by-step videos covering the process on both Road Glide and Street Glide models. You can check those out at volunteeraudio.com in the step-by-step install section. Now's the time to get one of these. We've got limited supplies, an amazing sell price, and now is the best time ever to add that camera you've always wanted to your bike. Let's go over to the bike. Let me show it to you installed on our actual motorcycle. So let's talk about rear camera options. Check it out on this one. I put it on my bag. I've done away with the big tail lights. I felt this was the better area to put it. But a lot of times you can put this on top of the tail light, at the base of your rear seat, or even on the bottom of a tour pack to have that HD camera view from the back. Let's go up front. Let me show you just how discreet and clean this is on the front of our bike. So up here we have our front camera, recessed in the front fork area, moves with our handlebars so we can see whatever we're doing as we go down the road. And the great part about this is it's so discreet, it's so well hidden. Nobody knows this is on your bike until you show them the footage. We've got access to our switch right here under the seat. Everything else is actually installed in factory style locations, all weatherproof, all plug and play. Here's your switch where you can change your riding mode or connect it to your phone. This is a great system at a great price. And now, like I say, now is the time to get one of these on your Harley. If you don't think this is in your wheelhouse to install, call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO, set up an appointment to get it installed. But you can also call our tech support. We have great videos, but we also have live, knowledgeable sales and tech staff to help you when you get in a bind in the middle of that install. All right. If you want to buy one, click the link above. Go to volunteeraudio.com. It's going to take you right to the camera system. Make sure if you want it plug and play for that new bike that you select that plug and play connector for 24 and up models. Now, if you have an older bike, this camera system still works. It's just a little bit more wiring because you're going to have to actually connect it to the battery instead of that quick plug and play style connector there. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions about it, 1-844-30-AUDIO, or again, go to volunteeraudio.com to get your new camera system while we've still got them in stock. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.